what's in the bag. Screwfix 2025 live. Fantastic. Giving away goodie bags. So we see what's inside. I'll show you. You get a pair of gloves. You get a couple of screws. And one of these on the day, on the wheel, spin the wheel, get some paint brushes. Paint brushes in there. Then you get one of these, OB1 fixing board. I needed that. That is good, look at that. And another paintbrush. These are similar to the paintbrushes in the bag. You get one of them. You get 2 mixer sticks. Okay. You need mixer sticks, don't you? You get clear tape. Some of that. Look, clear tape. Some clear tape. Masking tape, little masking tape. You get one of these for doing your hands, yeah? Clean your hands, one of them. I'll leave it out, I think. You get, down here in the bottom of the bag, you've got cable ties, some of them. Cable ties, new type of cable tie or something. What else? Got something else in here I can't get it out. They gave me a sweetie. And that is a for mixing your paint in, or put your paint in. Roller. Put your roller in. You know, paint roller thing. And then, there was something else. Anyway, that was all in there at the moment. The rest of the stuff's about somewhere. Oh yeah, over there. Got one of these. Cup. Put your drink in. How good is that? That is brilliant. All from Screwfix Live 25. There you go.